Whenever you need help, we are there for you. And you can get help in several ways. If you go to the top right menu and press the drop down, you will be able to see the support section. From here, you will be able to press the email us button. And once doing so, you will see this pop up. You will be able to select your category, either general inquiry, bug report, feature request, or billing. And you will be able to enter your subject and your question. If you press send, then you will be contacted by email whenever we have the response for you. If we go back and choose the select drop-down menu again, you can also go to our documentation. If you press this, you will come to our help center where you will find all kinds of documentation of our platform and its features. You can also search for specific items in the search bar, and if we have documentation about that specific feature that you're looking for, it will pop up for you to access.